Today, I am capturing the very last of those beautiful sunny summer vibes with this amazing, delicious, super easy to put together, deconstructed peach cobbler. Let's get to it because she's delicious. I am going to start off by telling you that I have made so many different variations of peach cobbler in the last 2 weeks. It's ridiculous. I am confident I am turning into a peach. I've just been looking for the perfect recipe and I hadn't found it until I decided to make this deconstructed version. So to make this extra easy, I am going to do it on the stovetop. So I am using 16 ounces of thawed peaches and I'm adding them to a medium-sized pan. I have my heat on medium, so this would be anywhere between a 4 and a 5 out of 10 on my stove. To this, I sprinkled some nutmeg. Just word of caution, nutmeg is incredibly strong, so a little goes a long way. I threw in 3/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I stirred all of that to combine it, and this is gonna hang out just in an even a layer as I can possibly get it in my pan, and she's gonna hang out and cook for 10-ish minutes. What I want is for all of the liquid to thicken and reduce. So while that's going, we're moving on to the next step. And this is going to take the place of the crumble topping or the dough that you would put on top when you bake it, because ain't nobody got time for that. So I am making a super simple granola. To make my granola, I am using 1 cup of gluten-free oats. I'm doing another sprinkle of nutmeg, about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 1 heaped tablespoon of melted coconut oil, about a 1/4 cup of honey, a sprinkle of salt, and you'll see that, I forgot to add it initially, and as I was stirring, I remembered, so don't forget your salt. And I'm going to stir all of this to combine. Now, I'm going to tell you, I used a little too much honey. I think when I poured it into my cup, I went closer to 1/3 of a cup, if not 1/3 of a cup. So this is really to your liking. If you want more or less sweetness, then just adjust it the way that you would like it. Once I have all of this stirred up, I'm putting it into my air fryer. Yes, we're not even turning on the oven that makes the kitchen and the house hot, because again, ain't nobody got time for that. So in my air fryer tray, I just put a piece of parchment paper, I put my granola in there, and I just spread it out into an even layer. This is going to air fry at 400 degrees for 7 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to turn it all over with a spatula, throw it back in the air fryer, and let it air fry at 400 degrees again for 5 minutes. While all of that magic is happening, I am moving back over to our beautiful peaches. These guys are looking so good. The sauce in there, which is the juice from the peaches, the maple syrup, and all the things, it has reduced significantly and thickened. So now I've given it a stir. I'm throwing in the zest of half of a lemon and the juice of half of a lemon and giving that another stir. Once I have all of that combined, the heat is off. I am moving this off of the hot burner and it is just going to hang out. Look at how beautiful this is. You can see the cinnamon, the nutmeg, you can see the vanilla beans. This smells so freaking incredible. I can't even tell you. This is seriously my new favorite thing. My new favorite thing. Moving back over to our granola. Here it is in the first round. I am just giving this a flip. And like I said, this is going to go right back into the air fryer and air fry at 400 degrees for another 5 minutes. Once it's done, it's just going to hang out and cool for 15 minutes. And then it is time for the good stuff. Look at how pretty. It's so golden. It smells amazing in here. I have no words. I cannot wait to dive into this. It is giving summer. It's giving peach season. It's giving love and life and all the happiness. Just why don't you come over and I'll make it for you? It's so delicious. Our beautiful peaches are done. Our granola is cooled. I broke it up with my hands just into some large chunky pieces and I have served it up. So in my little dessert bowl, I have my peaches at the bottom. I have the beautiful sweet and salty granola on top, and then a gorgeous scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. This is dairy-free ice cream, so it is very Shantel friendly. I gave it a top of another little granola chunk because why the heck not? Listen, this is so freaking good. Run, don't walk to your kitchen and put this together. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.